Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil karim amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Laqad kana lakum fi rasulillahi uswatun hasanah. Respected teachers, Honorable President, prominent judges, and dear my fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for every person of this world who believes in Allah and the day of judgment, the source of light and guidance can lead us completely. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent His messengers in the every period of history to guide the humanity. The world has been waiting for the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah, and the previous Sharia were abolished. His guidance was declared sufficient for all till the end of this world. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said if Hazrat Musa alayhi salam he had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. He is an embodiment of mercy for all mankind. All the prophets guided the human, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought revelation in the lives of people. This revelation is exempless in the history of mankind. Our love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam involves not only the devotion and passion for him, but to follow his deeds also. There is no left for us but to follow his teachings. The Quran and Sunnah are the basic of our religion. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam